In this video, I will discuss how you can add or filter using different kind of page builder. So I'm starting with Divi Builder. So let's create a new page and rename the page Divi Test, and we'll click Publish. Now we will use Divi Builder. So we'll build from scratch. So start building, and we'll take this layout and we will add our plugin here with code. So let's search for code. Now we'll have to add our plugin shortcode here. So let's go back to our dashboard, and from product filters, as you can see, we have added our shortcode here to display our filter. Let's copy this shortcode and paste here. As we have two kind of layout, one is top view and the other is sidebar. Now I want to display our filter with sidebar. I'm removing the top view option. Now we'll save the option. Now let's add our products. Let's search for products. Here, click Save Changes. Now click the three dot and save the page. Now let's exit the Visual Builder. See, our filter has been added to our test page. That's how you can add our filter on different page using our shortcode with in Page Builder.